So I just arrived to Winterberg in Germany. I'm gonna head up for the first practice laps here at Ixs Dirtmasters. It's a FNB gold level event and people are on course. Let's see. Yeah, looks fun.
Ja, ich glaube, hat ein bisschen was getan.
Yeah. So what's the speed? Did you ride it, Boris?
Nah, I'm going after Friedrich.
Friedrich, you know, like you brake to the first hip.
Yes.
And then first jump, maybe pedal.
First jump, just push a little bit and it will be good. Second as well.
Yeah. Första hoppet. Wow. Wow. Nice. Oh, felt good. Actually, such a nice course. I think I just need to get used to all the speeds, but good.
Let's get it.
Yeah.
Yes, boys.
Nice.
Let's get it. Hello. What's it? First break.
Something huge going down. Yeah.
Oh,
Wow!
Hi.
Fucking hell.
Dude, I swear. Hey, if he didn't go as deep as he went, he would be.
Wow. Yeah. Guys, try to tick off some boxes, do the corky. We stuck to do some tricks again. Men hur känns det på banan för dig nu?
Det är ändå bra.
Nice.
Det är ingenting läskigt egentligen.
Nej, det ser jävligt cleant ut när du kör i alla fall.
Ja.
Riktigt nice.
Ja, men det är så här, det är bara typ om man ska klura ut för någonting.
Ja, det är skitsvårt att planera åken. Ja. Okay, so I'm gonna focus on that step down now and then this hip which lands straight into a berm, so you need to be really precise and then just pedal for the jump. But yeah, one step at a time, just having fun out there. Hopefully the weather stays good. It's a bit cloudy and it's gonna rain probably, but yeah.
Oh!
Are you ready?
Yeah, let's get
Oh, det var nice alltså. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Vad tycker du om åkningen, Ryssen?
Ja, det ser bra ut. Det är ju folk laddar.
I think I'm gonna chill for a while and just film the other riders shred. Here comes Lucas. Yeah. And then get back into the parts down there. I need to do a lot of stuff. But yeah, just having fun. Lucas, he wants to corky the hip, so we're down here supporting him, filming. Let's go, Lucas, you get it. Yeah! I thought he was gonna land on us.
Oh, me!
On Marcus, but yeah, must have been an insane clip. Stoked for him, that was good though. Wow, nice alltså. Den var jävligt fet. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Ooh. Ja, men nice att köra lite där nere, ja.
So weird. And then that way it drops.
Yo! Ja, för jag var bara tvungen att... Jag tror jag lägger av nu, alltså jag är fan inte... Nej. Perfect. So good. The qual is in 1 hour, but it's windy. Ah.
You drop first.
Oh, it's a scary one.
So untouchable with the wind, huh?
Yeah. Did I go super far on the fronty?
Yeah, but it was okay. It was just like from the top of the landing, like, yeah, it was windy, but so safe, so...
Okay,
yeah.
Nice. Thank you.
Have qualifications for tomorrow's finals, and this evening is rip the hip. The question is, what you thinking about conditions?
So Saturday, qual is going down today. It's morning, like 8 AM or something. I'm gonna go up and do some practice laps. Then we do qualis at 9 and finals later today. I don't even know what time, but yeah, let's ride. Ska jag filma någon upp och ner här? Yeah. Wow.
I think there's
Thank you.
guys.
Som fan. Jag höll på att dunka sönder alltså.
Jag dunkade 3 set här nu.
Alltså jag trampade 2 varv.
Ja, det var långsammare kurvan.
Ja.
Oh yes. Yeah, boy.
Wow, let's go Alenko!
Bitte einmal bei den Judges gleich nach dem Run bestätigen lassen.
Haben wir Spaß, Rennen?
Das Ding ist...
So, I just did my first quali run, sitting in second at the moment. I did almost everything I wanted. I wanted to just flip our whip on the second jump, but I chilled now because I didn't do it in the practice. But yeah, also missed the track out from the whale tail and the front tack. But I do it in the next one, or in the finals, whatever. Just having fun. The vibe here is insane. Okay, finals is happening. We're doing an introduction run and then straight into the final run. So yeah, cool with all the people here. Im FMB. Ordentlich in die Pedale zwischen den zwei Plätzen, um Schwung mitzunehmen. Einer der vielen Schweden, die hier auch schon sehr lange zum Ixs Dirtmasters kommen. Und einer der Newcomer, der letztes Jahr den ersten Platz gemacht hat. Yeah. Wow. What an insane crowd. Okay, let's go for the runs now.
Sind wild heute!
Wow! Schade, verliert da in der Luft die Pedale, bleibt am Lenker hängen. Ladies and Gentlemen, give it up für Alex Alanko! Für alle, die es nicht sehen können, er ist da hinten an der zweiten Landung. Es läuft, die Jungs können das. Das ist denen ihr täglich Brot, also auch.
Rider Alex Alanko, der Schwede, bekannt für richtig viel Style. Let's give it up, Winterberg für Alex Alanko!
Yes, baby! Cork 7! Und da verabschiedet sich das Hinterrad.
I'm in line with the stars, I'm in sync with the earth. 10 toes deep, flower child from the turf. I never switch sides, like even when I die, I'm a ride for the squad. Ladder ties in the hearse. I've been on the vibe, kinda hard to describe. I'm in between, I'm good and it's fine, but I'm tired of the grind. Then I come alive in the night to